Hey, it's Christopher with Fresh Roasted Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to make flash brew in a Chemex Classic. Basically what flash brew is hot coffee brewed over ice. So it is super delicious, it's super quick. I say that it gives you the experience of cold brew, the flavor of iced coffee, and the speed of hot coffee. What you're going to need for it is 350 grams of water, hot water, about 30 seconds off the boil. You're going to need your Chemex, a scale with a timer on it, or just a timer and a scale separately. You can use your phone. You're going to need 42 grams of medium coarse ground coffee, about 350 grams of ice, and of course your Chemex filter, without which none of this would be possible. And today we're using Bali Blue Moon. It is a delicious Indonesian coffee with notes of dark chocolate, vanilla bean, and anise. So we're gonna get right into it. Take your filter, fold it so that the three pieces, that side is sticking towards the spout. And then we're gonna rinse all the paper flavor out. So once that is all through, we are gonna pour it out, and what we're gonna do is add 350 grams of ice. We'll put our filter back in, all nice and snug. We're gonna add our medium coarse ground coffee. So tear out your scale. We're gonna shoot for 75 grams and let it bloom for 45 seconds. So start your timer, and we're off. Make sure to hit all the dark spots, evenly saturate all the grounds. And we're gonna let that bloom for 45 seconds. This definitely gives you a nice clean brew. You know, the Chemex filter gives you the cleanliness, and the ice gives you the delicate notes. So now that we're at 45 seconds, we're gonna hit it up to 225 and let that keep brewing until 1 minute and 45 seconds. And now that we're at 1 minute and 45, we're gonna take it all the way up to 350 grams. So once you get to 4 minutes, you want to stop your timer, pick up your Chemex, compost the filter, give it a nice little swirl. It's also just a very beautiful way of brewing coffee. Like, look at that. You want to get your nice fancy glass, because you should feel fancy brewing flash brew. And there you have it. That's how you make flash brew coffee in an 8-cup Chemex Classic.